So you might be in this weird situation where for some reason your Android applications are just not installing. Now, what does this mean? Well, basically it means that within your Android device, you're probably going through and trying to download and or install applications, but none of those apps are actually going through and none of them are actually installing right now. So the main way to go and fix this and the main way to go and make sure this doesn't happen is, for one, just make sure that you have, within your Wi-Fi connection, you have a good Wi-Fi connection or cell connection, whatever the case is. Majority of the times when you're having these types of issues, you just want to make sure that your Wi-Fi and cell connections are perfectly fine and you don't have any issues in that standpoint. Like I said, probably for a vast majority of people, that's probably going to be the problem. So just make sure that's not the problem for you, and that's probably going to end up fixing it for you. Now, if that's not the problem, you may also just want to make sure that you don't have any storage issue problems. So make your way over to your settings application. You then want to go and scroll down until you see storage. So go and click on storage and open it up. Then what you're going to want to do is, under this specific storage panel, you're just going to want to go ahead and under like games or system or whatever else you have here, all you're going to want to do is just make sure that within these panels, you have enough storage available. Like I said, for a lot of people, literally just taking care of the storage situation can probably end up fixing it for you. And that's probably what I'd recommend doing it, probably in this specific case for yourself as well. If that doesn't end up working, another thing you may want to just double check and just make sure is that within your specific account, you don't have any like weird like issues associated with your account. There can be lots of problems, that can happen. So within that application, you may just want to stop it. So if you're trying to update or install like 8-Ball Pool, just stop installing that application, hop out of it, just close out of it like this, go ahead and give it a few seconds, open it back up, and that may end up fixing the problem. If that still doesn't work, you can try restarting your phone, and that may end up fixing it. And those are pretty much the main ways to go and fix it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.